feet and legs inside the tram. And please supervise your children. Barbecue, true to barbecue, and for those 18 years and older, Serenity Bay Barbecue. There's also the Goombay Cultural Center.
Good morning from Lookout Cay at Lighthouse Point, and welcome to the Busy Bee Chronicles. If you're new here, my name is Chelsea, and I'd like to take you on all my adventures. Today I have arrived here by the Disney Destiny. This is my first cruise. It's also an inaugural sailing, which is really exciting. My first cruise on the Destiny, not first cruise overall. You can go check out, I have playlists of all my other cruises. It's lots of fun. But today is all about my visit here at Lookout Cay. Now I am doing the ATV Excursion again, and I'll leave all the details on which one that is down below. But I did this on my last visit in February, and so it is May now, so the weather's very different. It's much warmer today, so we're gonna see what that's like. It's a very hot day already, but we loved this tour. My mom and I did it together, and this was just a lot of fun. The people who operate it are really cool and friendly, and so we decided we're gonna do it again and see what it's like the second time around. So I'm going to show you a little bit of that, but you can also check out my full video from the last time I did it to get some really good footage of it as well. But yes, I'm going to go do that, and then I plan on having like a fun beach day out here and see what I get into afterwards. So right now I'm just waiting for my time. You get a sticker after you check in at the Port Adventures booth when you get here. Spider-Man group this time. And we just have a few more minutes, so I'm just gonna apply some more sunscreen, and then we're gonna go get started.
Guys, good. Yeah, you guys good to go. Don't worry about your helmets, okay? Just get comfortable on the bike for me.
Alright, well, finished the excursion. It was a lot of fun again. Thank you very much to our tour guides. You were great. We always enjoy this, and I'm really glad I did it a second time. So I went and had lunch at Serenity Bay, and I got a little spot here in the shade. So it's been a little time since you last saw me, but I wanted to go get cooled off because I got very hot today. And now I am gonna go and head out to the beach. So once I let the sunscreen set, because it's very important, don't forget your sunscreen, I'm gonna head out to the ocean and check it out. It looks much calmer today than our last trip, which I like the water both ways, but yeah, just a little different today. Whoa, look how clear it is. You can see where the coral is and everything. They got some chairs out here. That's nice. And the jet skis come around. They monitor the beaches, which is really cool. There are also lifeguards and lots of seating out here. Ooh, the water feels nice and cool. That feels good. Hats are important too. This one, I like this one. Woo! It's like a little umbrella everywhere I go with me. It's comfy. Kind of can't get wet. Now down that way is actually where we rode the ATVs along the beach, and then we cut in somewhere over there to go back to the trails. And if you go all the way to the end of the beach that way, you can't see it from here, but that's where the actual lighthouse is, all the way at the end. So we're at the farthest point of the property, basically, of the beach area. Right there, it's basically at your own risk if you pass that sign. And this is the adult section. But right over there where the next lifeguard tower is, that's Family Beach, and everybody's welcome to be there, all ages. I'm going to see if there's anything under the water, but I don't have goggles or anything, so I'm not going to stick my head under today. But you're going to see, and I'm going to see later. Maybe I will swim under. That sounds fun. For me, not clear because I got no goggles. But it looks neat. Alright, well that was a nice little swim. When I went out to look at the coral, the water's calm, but there is like a current the minute you get that far that like takes you down the beach. So it's not like it doesn't feel like a rip current or anything, but it's like a long ways going down the beach. So that was some work to get back in. I was like, I'm too out of shape for this. I haven't swam enough lately. But that was a nice little swim. So I think I'm gonna relax here on the beach, maybe get a drink, and just chill. Alright, well I think I'm going to start making my way back to the ship, but I think I might be able to catch Junkanoo, and I've seen it before a few times, but it is still really fun. So let's see if we can catch that on our way out. And I'll take a peek into the stores again. I looked a little bit earlier. I didn't see anything new that stood out, but I might glance in there again just to be sure. This might be new. I don't remember this. It's kind of nice.
to me, Lizzie, but I come from a family of stand-up chameleons.
Alright, well I'm back at Mabrika Cove and getting ready to go back to the ship. I had a really great day today. It was fun. Hopefully you enjoyed coming on my little ATV adventure for the second time. And if you didn't see the first time, go check that video out from my Disney Fantasy Cruise. And also just kind of a lazy day at the beach and checking out the water. I finally got to go swimming in the ocean and I enjoyed that a lot. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe to the Busy Bee Chronicles, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post new videos. And I will of course have videos from all my fun that I'm having here on the Disney Destiny. So until next time, thanks for buzzing by.